my name is Yuan Lisiohadi. I'm 30 years old and I'm a food research scientist.
Eating is my hobby. I always love food. That's my passion. I love trying new things. I love knowing what is in it, and I love to analyze it. Food scientist is really different from a chef. We take the existing recipe or food from anywhere in the world, take it to the laboratory, analyze how the food is made, analyze the ingredients inside the food, the composition inside the food, to produce food which is more palatable, nutritional, safe, and have longer shelf life. One of the techniques that a food scientist normally use in their work to make a higher nutritional product is encapsulations. Encapsulations is like making little packages of vitamins or minerals in such a way that it's not visible to the eyes. However, when somebody consumes it, that little packages will be delivered to the targeted cells, and in that cell it will be released. If we don't put those vitamins or minerals in the little packages, it is possible that it might be lost somewhere during the digestive system. So we take a sample and we analyze it. The gas chromatography will tell us whether the sample is pure or not, and how much of the sample is actually inside the encapsulated or inside the packages. Sometimes we do have to try things that we don't like, and we do have a say whether the food we actually taste is bad or good. We do have to take into account that food preference is really affected by cultures. We can't really be one-sided, so we have to take data from different panelists for making our decision. Our tongue can only describe sweet, sour, and bitter. The flavors cover the taste buds into the different parts, which is sweet, sour, and bitter. Will be taken to the olfactory system up around the upper nose. That's how we describe whether that's going to be a strawberry flavor or banana flavor. We aim to improve products and produce new products, even though it's just small differences, but in the industry it could mean millions of dollars of reductions in cost. I went to high school, then I thought, okay, what am I going to do now? I love food, okay, maybe I should take food technology. But back then there wasn't any food technologies in Indonesia. So I thought maybe I might try to learn to be a chef. And it turns out I wasn't good at it. I am more a person of convenience, and I love eating, I love commenting. And what I do, I take food, I comment on the food, what type of food is that and how this can be improved. And that's what drives me into doing this. I don't normally cook at home, but I do have to cook at work. Sometimes there are food that deals with a step-by-step procedure of, say, baking of chicken or baking of cakes. When I did my bachelor study, I took general science, chemistry, mathematics, physics, and biology as my main subjects. I was accepted in a research institution called Food Science Australia, and I worked there during my master's. Then I did a PhD, and here I am. I feel privileged. It's a good feeling to be able to make food which has a value-added material so that we actually enhance the lifestyle of people, the health of people, and giving them new ranges and larger range of products to select. Yeah, I think it's the best combinations. Love in research, love in science, and love in food.